In today's video, I'm going to teach you about community notes on X, formerly known as Twitter. Understanding how this feature works will help you navigate the world of social media with a much clearer perspective. Initially introduced as a way to contribute to a more informed conversation on the platform, Community Notes plays a crucial role in how information is shared and verified among users. Let's start by talking about what Community Notes are. Essentially, they are user-generated annotations that provide additional context to tweets. These notes aim to offer clarity or correction to the information circulating on the platform. Community members contribute by writing and rating these notes, which help determine their visibility and usefulness. Once a note is deemed helpful by a diverse group of contributors, it gets shown to other users, providing a broader perspective on the tweet in question. Now, you might be wondering how one can contribute to or interact with community notes. To begin with, a user must have a verified account on X, which typically means an established account with a steady presence on the platform. If you meet these criteria, you can start contributing by writing notes on tweets or rating existing ones, judging their helpfulness and accuracy. This ability isn't confined to specific tweets, rather, users can engage where they feel additional context is needed. Contributors aren't working in isolation, they function within a community that monitors the notes for accuracy and relevance. When you write a note, it doesn't get automatically published to the tweet. Instead, it goes through a crowdsourced evaluation process. Other contributors rate the note's helpfulness, and once there's enough consensus that it adds value, the note appears on the tweet for all to see. It's crucial to be objective, factual, and clear when writing or rating, as the goal is to enhance rather than confuse the ongoing conversation. As for the visibility of these notes, when you read tweets, you'll notice that only those notes rated as helpful by a diverse set of people get highlighted. This system is designed to prevent any single group from overpowering the dialogue with biased information. It ensures that a balanced view is presented, giving you a more informed understanding of what's being discussed. So, why is all this important? In today's digital landscape, misinformation can spread quickly. Community notes act as a check against this, providing users like you with verified, reliable information, reducing the likelihood of misunderstanding or misinformation. In engaging with community notes, you're not just consuming content passively, you're part of a larger effort to foster more informed, thoughtful discussions online. As you embrace this feature, remember that your contribution, however small, plays into a larger narrative of responsible content dissemination. Whether you're writing notes or rating them, every engagement counts in creating a more transparent and well-informed online community. That's the beauty of community notes on X, a collective chorus working together to ensure that information is as accurate and comprehensive as possible.